Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year to everyone. The best thing that happened in my life in this year was building a strong relationship with my family despite of what happened. And of course, getting my UAE driver's license. Hopefully by next year, I will get my family here and I will get my new Camry 2026, Toyota Camry 2026. Thank you and God bless everyone.
Happy New Year! But before 2020 ends, I want to say thank you to all the people who has been part of the happiness in my life. Thank you so much and Happy New Year, especially to 1401 family. Happy 3 years guys! Thank you so much and Happy New Year once again.
So ayan na nga po, maraming salamat po at papasok na ang 2026. So tapos na yung 2025. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga alaala, mga lit na mga usapan sa bayang pagkain at tawanan ngayong taon. Mas maging maganda pa ang taon dahil magkasama tayong tumira. Naway maging hanga-hanga ang darating na bagong taon para sa inyo at puno ng pagmamahal at tagumpay, positibong pagmamahal. Yun lamang po and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year everyone.
Hello everyone! Happy New Year to each and every one of you. So the best thing that happened to me in 2025 was getting married to the one I truly love. So it's been a year full of gratitude and growth. As I look forward to 2026, I'm praying for continuous blessing, a growing business, and financial freedom. And my wish for all of us is a year filled with blessings, happiness, love, and true fulfillment in life. Cheers to meaningful and prosperous New Year! That's all. Thank you.
This year, sa tingin ko parang walang nangyaring maganda sa buhay ko kasi nagkaroon ng mga konting problema. Pero sa tingin kong the best na nangyari sa buhay ko this year is yung nakilala ko kayo, nagkaroon ako ng mga malalapit na kaibigan, yung nagpapayo sa akin, nagsasabi sa akin ng mga pagkakamali ko para mabago ko. Yun, the best yun, solid yun. Next year, siguro focus na sa goal, savings, business, saka plan for wedding. Yun lang. Happy New Year, guys!
Hello sa inyong lahat. Happy New Year. Namimiss ko na kayo, promise. Pero lagi akong busy, lagi din kayong busy. Namimiss ko na yung mga banding natin, inuman, saya-saya natin noon. Masaya pa rin naman kayo ngayon. Nakikita ko naman yung mga post ninyo, masaya kayo. I wish makasama ko kayo ulit, magkakasama tayo ulit, katulad ng dati, na napakasaya. Yung pupunta ka na lang sa kusina para kumain. Wish ko lang ngayong 2026, sana ma-invite niyo pa rin ako, makasama ko pa rin kayo. I miss you so much. Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. I love you all. Miss you.
This year, thankful ako sa mga nakakasama ko this year, especially sa family ko dito sa 1401. Hindi ko na kayo iisa-isahin, but thankful ako. And also sa pamilya ko sa Pinas. And in the next year, yun, more blessing to come, and sana walang magiging problema. Sana lahat magaan at di tayo pabigatin ng mga problema natin. And that's it, I think. Happy New Year!
Assalamualaikum everyone. Ay mga kanib ko sa pananampalataya. It's me, Kurt. You know guys, ang daming mga pangyayari at pagsubok ang mga nangyari this year, no? But in spite of all, we strive and still alive. Tanga. Another year ends and still we're here. Some days we won, some days we survive. You know, growth is silence. success makes noise. Ang daming best moment na nangyari sa akin this year. Isa na yun yung pagpasok pa lang ng taon, nakahanap na agad ako ng trabaho. Good opportunity. Unlike sa previous kong trabaho na sobrang stress, nakakapagod. Ngayon, no stress, less work, good income. At isa mo pa yung good health at napagandang asawa. Love you. Tawag nito. Well, hopefully this new year, ang nilook forward ko ay na sana makapunta yung mga anak ko dito, or at least isa man muna sa kanila para makapag-banding naman kami, at least magkakasama kami dito sa UAE at samahan ng good health. Sana yun, importante. Tapos sana matupad mga pangarap ko dito para sa mga anak ko, kasama ng aking asawa at sa aming buong pamilya. At pinagdadasal ko rin this coming next year na sana lahat ng mga pangarap namin mag-asawa at pangarap ng asawa ko ay sana matupad. Sa asawa ko naman masabi ko lang, stay humble as always, stay gorgeous and pretty. Huwag nating kalimutan ang Diyos sa lahat ng ating mga pangarap sa buhay. God's first and everything will be next to Him. Yun na po mga kaanib. Assalamualaikum ya habibi.
This year taught me how strong and patient I can be, and I think that's the best thing that happened to me this year. And next year I'm looking forward to new beginnings, opportunities, and of course business.
Happy New Year ahead, everyone. Before this year ends, I just want to thank you, the 1401 family. Thank you for the love sa mga nabuo natin na friendship. Thank you for always being there for each one of us. And then, thank you sa mga family natin way back home. And then, this year wasn't good, wasn't perfect, but I still choose gratitude. This year, cheers to a new beginning. And then, cheers to new beginnings and endless opportunities.
As I look back into this year, the best thing that had happened to me is realizing just how blessed I am. I am deeply thankful for my family and friends who has been my constant support. I'm also very thankful for the growth in my career and the promotion that reminded me that hard work truly pays off. And of course, I'm grateful for John, for our stronger relationship that continues to teach me how to love, to be patient, and of course the partnership that can build. Above all, I am grateful for the countless blessings and provisions from the Lord, even in moments that I didn't fully notice at that time. As I welcome the new year, I look forward to becoming a better version of myself, growing personally, building financial stability, and living a happier, more grounded life. I step into the coming year with hope, faith, and an open heart, trusting that more blessings are on their way. So happy New Year, everyone, and I hope everyone will have a blessed and meaningful New Year ahead. Bye.
안녕하세요. A lot of things happened this year, good and bad. This year, I'm very grateful to all the people who stood beside me, to all of you my friends, my connected friends, my loved ones, my partner. The achievements I received this year as a CN engineer, the travels I made, and so many great memories. And next year, I want to make sure to spend more time and quality time with my friends, loved ones, families, partner, and to reach my goals, to have more experiences and more memories to share, and to allow God to lead my life. And I just want to say to everyone, to all of us, you did well, you worked so hard, you made it this far, fighting. Happy New Year, everyone.
And this is when the